correct this error in Amazon KDP. Your expected cover size is, but the submitted file size is. So I have to change the cover size. I go to Canva and I enter the expected cover size. Look, expected cover size, this size, 13.996, 13.996, and in the height 10.417, 10.417. Where is this? In the custom size. Here, custom size in canva.com, custom size. Okay, and create a new design, and I go to my design and copy, control all, control copy, and I will put it here, control V. Okay, I have to edit it. Maybe more smaller. Yes, like this, and like this, and now like this. I think now it's good. Share, download, PDF print, and download. It's downloaded. Let's go to Amazon KDP and exit print previewer. Go to upload cover, upload your cover file. This is my last cover file. Uploading. Save successfully. Okay, successfully. I don't know how to pronounce successfully. Successfully. I don't know. My native language is Arabic, so sorry to my bad English. Amazon KDP is preparing my file. I will not cut this video. Checking your cover for quality issues. It take little time, not a long time, little time. Patience is good. We learn to be patient, huh? Have us to scale. And now I can click approve. It's good. The error gone. You can find this book in Amazon. You can buy this book to your children. It's ABC animal coloring book. Is English Arabic. Look. A, and the children can color the A, and then he can color the ant and the ant, and he can learn that ant is namla, namla. And then B, bear, dub. It's English Arabic. Go buy it from Amazon. The name of the book is ABC Animals Coloring Book, prepared by Wala Khudr Qatar. Support me and buy this book from Amazon to your children. Approve.